Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asyraaf bin Diwi, and for my final year project proposal, I would like to present about design and development of artificial intelligence (AI) in visual quality control under Supervisor IR Dr. Noor Azlina Muhammad Salleh. The content of the presentation consists of project summary, introduction, literature review, problem statement and objective, scope and limitation of the project, methodology and expected result. For project summary, this project aims to collect the image of category stationaries and phone holder products for the machine learning database and design and develop an artificial intelligence (AI) system for the product. In this final year project, high-level programming language Python and software TensorFlow will be used to accomplish this project. The project description of the research, design and methods will be more focused on the design and development of the artificial intelligence (AI) in visual quality control. As for introduction, artificial intelligence (AI) is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. The category is an automation mechanism that was invented in Japan that helped improve productivity and reduce company costs. Implementing artificial intelligence (AI) in the quality control at category line section will eliminate and narrow down the problems in the quality control area in category line. The placement of artificial intelligence (AI) in the quality control section can assist in double-checking the quality of the phone holder product. As for first literature review is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI and computer science which focus on the use of data and algorithm to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. As with any other methods, there are different ways to train machine learning algorithm, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. The three main methods are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. As for the second literature review, it's a supervised learning. Supervised learning usually uses labeled data set with a high number of training instances, each corresponding to an event or object, which are typically used to train prediction models. The event or object description and the ground truth output are represented by the features, factors, or instances in a training sample. As for third literature review is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning uses labels to figure out how exactly two pieces of data relate to one another. On the other hand, unsupervised learning doesn't have labels to work with, hence it produces structure with no labels. The product understands the relationship between data points on an abstract level. Therefore, no human input is necessary in this learning. As for the last literature review, it's reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is based on the physiological idea of conditioning and utilize an interpreter and a reward system to put an algorithm to work. The interpreter assesses whether or not the output result is favorable in each iteration of the algorithm. It has a self-improving algorithm that adapts to a new condition by making mistakes and learning from them. The problem statement for this project are to determine the best method or approach to visual detection using artificial intelligence (AI) on the selected phone holder product, and to isolate the bad product that has defect and not properly installed in the quality control section using artificial intelligence (AI). The objectives for this project are to collect the image of category stationaries and phone holder products for the machine learning database, and to design and develop an artificial intelligence (AI) system for the product. The scope for this project is focusing on designing and developing artificial intelligence (AI) in visual quality control. The design and development of artificial intelligence should emphasize and consider the product's dimension, color and condition that will go through the quality control section. The limitation of the project will be from the extraordinary event from the impossible scenario of unsuccessful joining process from the product. The installed AI will be unable to detect the flaws because no existing photos and data are based on the data reference to the AI. The project method to design and develop artificial intelligence AI in visual quality control involve planning, analyzing, designing, implementing, result, and standardizing. The plan section will refer on literature review and problem identification. The analyze section will be on the setting the objective, data collection, and data analysis. The design will be on the coding to the developed AI system before implemented it on the curriculum line in the implementation system. The result will be on how many defective phone holder products that are defected and isolated. The established artificial intelligence will be standardized if successful. If not, improvement must be made. This is the methodological flowchart of the software diagram of artificial intelligence AI that is planned to use at the quality control section in Karakuri line. In this scenario, we are using Python as the programming language and TensorFlow software in order to design and develop artificial intelligence AI. The flowchart of artificial intelligence AI starts with the input of date, time, and the name of the product that want to be inspected. If the data to inspect is available, the user can select the data product that need to be inspected. If not, the user must create the new product data as a references to AI to follow. Then, leave the artificial intelligence AI at the quality control section in Karakuri line to detect the product before inspection of the product is being made. Then, the judgment of AI will be made based on the data references selected earlier. If the product quality is good, it will proceed and send the product to the packaging section in the Karakuri line. If the product quality is bad, the AI will remove and isolate the product from the quality control section. Lastly, the AI will produce report on how many judgment of good and bad quality product has been made during that shift. The expected result on the design and development of AI in visual quality control will be on the collecting image of Karakuri stationaries and phone holder product for the machine learning database. The artificial intelligence AI is expected to be able to make a good judgment on the quality of the phone holder product. Artificial intelligence AI should be able to differentiate between the good quality of the phone holder and the bad quality of the phone holder based on the data reference given to the AI. In making artificial intelligence AI using Python and TensorFlow, learning detection from image and real-time detection coding section from the camera is essential in detecting the product that has defects and not been installed correctly. This type of coding should be able to train AI to detect the product and inspect the product. The judgment of AI will be made based on the data references taken in the slide before. Artificial intelligence or AI will isolate the bad products from the other good phone holder product when detecting defective and not properly installed phone holder product. That's all from me. If you have any questions regarding this final year project presentation, feel free to contact me based on the information on this slide. Thank you very much.